Hey, welcome. My name is Martin. I'm the creator of Super Mega Space Game. Here is Game Dev Garage. I'm making Cocos Creator tutorials in this channel. Hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notified on new tutorials released. Check links in the description and in the corner for other tutorials we have done before. In this video, we are going to see how we can enable JavaScript auto-completion in Visual Studio Code when we are working on Cocos Creator. This is a simple platformer we made several weeks ago. You can also find the link in the corner to this tutorial. So let's start. So I will just simply create a JavaScript file here, and let's open it with Visual Studio Code. And I will clear unnecessary things. Okay. Maybe we can use onload function to test. If you open Visual Studio Code and probably you want to cc dot, for example, we want to type here and we want to get a director, but as you can see there is no suggestion or nothing. So there is a very easy solution for this. We should go to Cocos Creator and go to developer menu and choose Visual Studio Code Flow and update Visual Studio Code API source. Click this and this will generate a creator.d.ts file in your project folder. Check here. This is our project folder and this is the creator.d.ts. Okay, now you can just close the Visual Studio and reopen it and hit cc dot control space to let it load several seconds. Hopefully. Yeah, it loaded. Now we have everything, not perfectly everything, but most of things are working. Maybe we can get physics manager and enabled true, so we can use physics in our game. It's that simple. So there's nothing to do with there's nothing more to do with this thing. Actually, JavaScript auto-completion helps a lot, but if you want more sophisticated code completion, I suggest you to use TypeScript in your projects, because TypeScript also makes type checking, and you can also have much sophisticated auto-completion on your projects. Okay, this is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you on next videos. Bye.